How to speak up in an American office meeting. English phrases, real-life workplace English conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans speak during office meetings. A lot of English learners understand English well, but feel nervous speaking during meetings. What should you say? How do you share ideas professionally? How do you interrupt politely without sounding rude? That's exactly what you'll practice today. You'll learn natural American English phrases for sharing opinions, asking questions, agreeing with coworkers, leading discussions, and sounding confident in a professional workplace. These are real phrases used every day in American companies and office meetings. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Starting the meeting. All right, everyone, thanks for joining today's meeting. Let's start with the project updates. Sounds good. Before we begin, does anyone have anything urgent to discuss? Not from me. All right, let's review the marketing timeline first. Actually, I have a quick question about the timeline. Sure, go ahead. Are we still planning to launch next month? That's the current goal, yes. Okay, thanks for clarifying. Sharing ideas professionally. I'd like to add something to that point. Of course, go ahead. I think our social media campaign needs more video content. That's a good idea. Video engagement has been growing recently. Exactly. I also think shorter videos might perform better. Interesting point. What if we tried a different approach this quarter? What are you thinking? Maybe we focus more on customer interaction instead of just advertisements. I actually agree with Sarah on this one. Building stronger customer relationships should probably be the priority. That makes sense. Talking about strategy and problems. Can we go back to the budget for a second? Sure. What's your question? I noticed the advertising budget increased significantly this month. Yes, we're investing more into digital campaigns. Got it. I just want to make sure we're spending efficiently. That's a fair concern. From my perspective, the priority should be customer retention. Keeping current customers is often cheaper than finding new ones. I completely agree. That's something we should focus on more. Working as a team. Does anyone have suggestions for improving communication between teams? I think weekly check-ins could help. That's a good idea. Sometimes projects slow down because updates aren't shared quickly enough. Exactly. I also think clearer deadlines would help everyone stay organized. Agreed. Let me take the lead on that action item. Perfect. Thank you for volunteering. No problem. I'll create a shared document for the team. That would be very helpful. Wrapping up the meeting. Before we finish, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. So the new marketing strategy will focus more on customer engagement and video content. Correct, and we'll review the updated timeline next week. Sounds good. I'll follow up with an email after this meeting. Perfect. Does anyone have concerns before we move on? I think we're good. All right then, let's wrap up. Thanks everyone for your time today. Thank you. Have a great afternoon, everyone. You too. Fast shadowing practice. I'd like to add something to that point. I have a quick question about the timeline. Can we go back to the budget for a second? I think there might be a better way to handle this. What if we tried a different approach? I agree with Sarah on this one. From my perspective, the priority should be customer retention. I want to make sure we're all on the same page. Let me take the lead on that action item. I'll follow up with an email after this meeting. Does anyone have concerns before we move on? I think we're good. Let's wrap up. Excellent work today. Now you know how to speak more confidently during American office meetings using real professional English. And remember, in the workplace, confidence matters just as much as grammar. The more you practice speaking naturally, the easier meetings and professional conversations become. So don't just watch this lesson once. Replay it, shadow every sentence, and practice speaking out loud until the phrases feel automatic. That's how real fluency is built, one conversation at a time. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English lessons. Comment "Meeting done" if you practiced today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Office small talk, business phone calls, networking conversations, professional email English, talking to your manager. Keep practicing every single day, and your English confidence will grow faster than you think. See you in the next lesson.